Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. This is Porosh once again before you. So right now, as you can see, I am lying on this bed with my pet animal Pablo. As you can see, we both actually lying on this bed and having a very good time. And my little brother Snicked already finished his study and now he is watching TV in our first room. I was also doing my study now, and few minutes earlier I saw Pablo actually lying on this bed, and then I thought I should make a video. Okay, so my mother and my grandmother goes to my uncle's home in order to attend a party in their home. They haven't come yet, and my father is also haven't come from his office duty. So as you can see, we both actually lying, but Pablo's condition right now isn't well because she got few days earlier she witnessed a horrible accident. You know, that accident was really bad. If I talk about that incident happened maybe 5 days ago. At that time, I wasn't here. I was at my uncle's home to spend my Eid vacation. When I heard she got injured, it was really sad. It was really hard time for me because I didn't expect this. uh, so that's why it was really hard for me. Well, if I tell you that incidents happened at a night. At that particular night, every family members of our family actually eating their dinner in our first room, and Pablo actually walking in our second room. No one thought she will go out our home. And when she go out our home in front of our kitchen's window, there are some dogs actually walking. And when she left our home, and then some dogs attacked him and she got badly injured. And after that incident, she was missing for 2 days. you know every members of our family, we actually lost our hope that we won't be able to find her again. But we are really lucky to got her back again. And that's why I'm really thankful to God. Because I also think that uh, I will lose her forever. But God uh, bring her in our home again. So that's why I'm really thankful to our God. At that time, as you know, that I was at my uncle's home. After when I heard this news, in the next day I came to Naranganj, and then after coming here, then I saw the condition of our Pablo was really bad, and it was really look horrible. And then without any delay, I go Naranganj Animal Hospital, which is really far away. But without any delay, I went to that hospital, and doctors, we meet a doctor, and then doctor give her some treatment. Doctor give her three injection. One is vaccine, and the other one is injection, and the other one I don't know. And then the doctor you know uh, told us to buy some medicine for her. And then I went to a medicine shop, and then bought some medicine. Right now she's feeling better, but I think she need more than 7 or 8 days to uh, uh, fit and fine. But uh, after before this incident she was restless, but after that incident she is now very calm. She doesn't run here and there in our home. So it's really very sad to see this, but nothing to do. It was unexpected. No one in our family thought that she will witness these kinds of accidents. Okay, so just look at this. Well, my hand actually hurting now. Just look at this. His wound is here. I actually bandage her wound with a cloth, because all the time she actually licking this wound with his tongue. And doctors told us to say, to not to do, do da, does do her this, so that's why I bandage her right hand with cloths. So yes, that's the incident. It's really hard, but it's really sad also. But nothing to do. It's unexpectable, and it was unexpectable. But finally, we got her back again, and that's enough for us. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. I'm just having a very good time with her. Really, I really love her very much. Every members of our family love her very much. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. I just share the incidents that she witnessed few days earlier, and yeah, that's all. Okay, so have a good night to all of you, and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.